Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 13e épisode du Let's Play Underhal. La dernière fois, nous avions enquêté sur la famille des Dalvarek, car nous avions appris qu'elle était en possession d'une pierre noire. Donc oui, nous sommes à la recherche des pierres noires pour pouvoir activer la balise, qui doit mettre fin à la purge. Donc les Dalvarek étaient en possession d'une pierre noire, et à travers une espèce de jeu de piste un peu morbide, on a pu retrouver la sœur de Jespar, Adila, qui était clairement sous emprise de la pierre noire. Car je vous rappelle que les pierres sont maudites, donc dangereuses d'une certaine manière. Donc elle était totalement sous l'emprise de la pierre noire. Elle a assassiné Jespar devant nos yeux. On l'a mis hors d'état de nuire, et puis juste après, la femme voilée nous est réapparue. Je me souviens plus trop ce qu'elle disait. Mais elle disait qu'elle n'était pas responsable du meurtre de Sirius, notre compagnon d'infortune qui a été tué sur le navire au tout début de l'aventure. Qu'elle était là uniquement pour exécuter le destin, je crois, et qui était bien plus puissante que ce qu'on pouvait penser, qui était même au-delà des dieux, ce qui est très très étrange. Donc là on est sur une autre piste, celle des apothicaries de Loutreville. Interroger les apothicaries de Loutreville sur la pierre noire. Selon les notes de l'Archimagister, l'une des pierres noires était jadis en possession de la Ligue des apothicaries. Je devrais les interroger, l'endroit le plus proche devrait être la léproserie de Loutreville. Donc on va à leur rencontre et puis on va voir ce qu'ils nous disent.
Move along.
Donc Loutreville, toujours aussi bien famé, toujours aussi agréable à visiter. Ah, je sais pas si je vous l'avais montré en vidéo. C'est peut-être possible que j'ai coupé ça au montage. Mais j'y suis déjà allé une fois pour aider des villageois. Loutreville, c'est un endroit assez malfamé, rempli par des mendiants, des pauvres, des malades. C'est assez triste. Puis je suppose qu'il y a du trafic de drogue par ici. La drogue appelée cendre éclat, si je dis pas de bêtises. Par où est-ce qu'on doit passer? D'accord. Par ici? C'est bizarre qu'ils se soient établis dans Loutreville, les apothicaries. Bonjour. Je dois voir celui qui dirige cet endroit. C'est important.
Uh-huh. Well, then you should go see Sister Salvira. She has to be around here somewhere.
D'accord. Bonjour. L'ordre m'a envoyé. J'ai besoin de votre aide.
Oh, really? And what could someone working for the Order bring down to a place like this and risk spoiling his fine garments?
Y a un problème?
Take a look around and you'll see the problem. What do you want? Just spit it out.
Je suis ici parce que je suis à la recherche d'une pierre noire, apparemment associée à votre guilde, votre ligue. Est-ce que vous savez quelque chose à ce sujet?
A black stone? No idea what you're talking about. Now, is there something else? If not, leave. Time is sparse these days.
Mais c'est quoi ça? Attends, je viens ici puis on me donne aucune information? Oh, Kalia.
Thank the sun, there you are. I've been looking for you.
Mais qu'est-ce que vous faites là?
I followed you. It's about your mission. I know that the Grandmaster ordered you to find the Black Stones, and I believe I know where to find the one you were looking for down here.
Ah bon? Mais où ça?
Far away from here, and I can show you where. The only thing I ask of you is that no one must know about my part in this. Promise me that, and I'll tell you what I know.
Oui, je promets.
Thanks. Believe me, I don't like this any more than you do. Come, follow me.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette histoire? Elle a eu des informations comment? Je te suis, Kalia.
All this poverty. It's incredible how little we think of it up there. I guess it's easy to forget about the other side of the coin once you haven't seen it for a while. Alright, this is better. Have you ever heard the name Dal-Galar?
Dal-Galar. Oui, je pense que quelqu'un me parlait de lui une fois. C'est le guérisseur des pauvres?
Healer of the poor. Yes, that's what some people called him. It doesn't do him justice, though. Dal-Galar helped everyone regardless of his wealth. The only difference was that he had the rich people pay for their treatment. Do you also remember why he left Ark?
Vaguement. N'y avait-il pas eu un différend avec la Ligue des Apothicaries en raison de ses méthodes?
Yes. For him, the end justified the means. For example, it is said that he once healed a crippled soldier by replacing his lost leg. The League considered such practices pathless, but Dal-Galar refused to give in, and that is how they came to blows. Finally, Dal-Galar left Ark and moved into a remote old castle in the Frostcliff Mountains.
D'accord. Moi, je me rangerais plutôt de cet avis. Il a essayé d'aider les gens, c'est ce qui devrait compter.
True, but people fear what they don't know. It has always been like that. I guess you know the rest of the story. He became more and more reclusive until one day he locked the gates and was never heard from again. The apothecaries say that it was his eccentricity which was to blame, but I think there is more to it than that.
Laissez-moi deviner. Vous pensez que la pierre noire a eu un rôle dans tout ça?
I know it did. I recently read the notes of one of the few apprentices he permitted to come with him. And this is where it gets interesting. Dal-Galar researched something he only referred to as the Angel. No one but him was allowed to take part in its creation, and he hired dozens of mercenaries to get him the resources he needed for his experiments. Books, relics, rare herbs, things like that. And one of those relics was a small dark stone, shining like the skin of an eel.
La pierre noire. Et vous pensez qu'elle est responsable de ce qui s'est réellement passé dans son château?
Yes. What do you think, Saira? It does sound like a lead, doesn't it?
Bah oui, effectivement, mais pourquoi tout ce secret?
I would prefer not to talk about it, but believe me, my intentions aren't bad. Now let us plan how we are going to proceed.
Comment ça me fait pas assez confiance? Bon, vous avez raison. Comment pouvons-nous atteindre ce château? Il est dans le nord, non?
Yes. I found us a map that should point the way from the Frostcliff Tavern. Go prepare yourself. I will meet you there. And thank you for helping me. I appreciate it.
Chut. Donc apparemment elle veut pas nous en dire plus parce que, d'après ce que je comprends, elle serait impliquée là-dedans. Mais moi je veux vraiment pas en quoi elle peut être impliquée.
Hein?
Bah, je vois pas pourquoi elle nous... Elle fait autant de secrets, quoi. Pourquoi elle garde ce secret si elle est pas impliquée? C'est ça que je me dis. Ou alors c'est l'ordre qui est impliqué? Mais non, ça ne tient pas parce que on fait partie de l'ordre nous aussi, donc elle devrait nous tenir au courant. Donc je pense effectivement qu'elle est impliquée là-dedans.
Now you're quite
On verra
the sight.
si,
How about a little bit of fun?
si mes suppositions sont
You know why we're
véridiques.
here. Shadow.
Tough times.
And just how exactly is that supposed to help me?
Excuse my friend.
No idea.
Ah, Kalia.
Would you ask,
Would
though?
cheer if it was drooling in his face. But as he said, we don't know anything about that castle. And if I were you, I would stay away from it anyway. This man, this Dalgalar, he was crazy.
What makes you say that?
Well, before he, shut himself in, he sent his servants down here a couple of times each moon. And every time they hired dozens of hunters to bring them dead game. Rabbits, deer, and the like.
So, he probably needed them for his experiments.
Aye, my dad, but why so many? I mean, 40 cadavers a week? Must be something wrong with that. Maybe he's an entropist, a bone mage, or something like that. And maybe he wanted to use those corpses to raise an army of undead to take revenge on the League.
Rabbits, Folyek. Rabbits.
The dose makes the poison. Isn't that how you say it, my dad?
Yes, that's the saying. I need to go now. Thank you for your help. I take it you listened. I don't think we'll get more than superstitious chatter out of these people. What do you say? Should we head out?
Bah... Ouais, peut-être qu'on peut interroger les villageois.
As you like. Just tell me once you're ready to leave.
Light fades away.
Yes, can I help you?
Vous êtes un des locaux, non? Je me demandais si vous pouviez me dire quelque chose sur le comte d'Algalar.
The Count? What do you want me to say? He's a monster, just like the apothecary said he was. I still remember the day he and his cohorts moved into that forsaken castle. The villagers all cheered as if he were Waterblade incarnate, but I just knew there was something wrong with that man the moment I saw him. Especially when I saw that cart with the burial shrouds.
Des linceuls? Qu'y avait-il de si extraordinaire?
Nothing. At least not for a so-called healer. But I saw a shape beneath them, like a stiff body, a wax figure, and that man, Dalgalar, he kept staring at it as if he were hypnotized or something. Anyway, my advice, stay away from that castle.
C'est con parce qu'on compte y aller.
Yes, can I help you?
Peut-être que oui. J'essaie de découvrir ce qui est arrivé à Dalgalar. Est-ce que vous savez quelque chose sur lui?
Dalgalar. I was still a toddler when he moved here, so no. But I know about his castle, and if I were you, I would stay away from there.
Vous n'êtes pas vous n'êtes pas le premier à me dire ça. Mais pourquoi?
Well, I'm up in the village from time to time to look for things. And once I was stupid enough to go near the castle gate.
Et alors?
There was something in the courtyard, a creature made of bright blue light, and it moved and it breathed. I got away from there as quick as I could, and I ran back to the tavern. And yes, maybe it was just my imagination, but still, there's something wrong with that castle. That's all I can say.
Ok. C'est pas rassurant tout ça.
Walk blessed. Safe travels.
Bonjour. Quoi?
Yes, just...
Désolé, mais vous êtes du coin?
None of your damn business. Piss off.
D'accord, bon bah l'objectif est rempli.
What do you want?
Kalia?
So, learned anything useful?
Oui, certaines choses.
Interesting. And you're right. The guy over there really does look strange. Anyway, let's go.
parti.
Cold.
Ouais, j'imagine, oui.
Well then, the castle is about 2 miles north of here. We shouldn't have any problems if we stay on the road. I suggest you go on ahead. I'll cover your back.
D'accord. Ok.
Careful. You can reach his path. Wait. Oh no. This is Brother Gallius.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faisait là?
I don't know. Let's search their bodies.
J'avais déjà commencé. Ordre. Casse-toi. Les chasseurs de la région parlent de créatures étranges dans les ruines de Mistral. Nous pensons qu'un anthropiste se cache dans les mines du village. Jetez un œil à la mine la prochaine fois que vous avez une mission dans les montagnes de Givre-Fallois. L'ordre a besoin de minerais pour reconstruire la balise, et si nous voulons rétablir la mine, nous ne pouvons pas la laisser aux anthropistes. Signé Chef JB.
Anything?
Leurs ordres, on dirait que la vieille mine de Mistral est occupée par un mage renégat. C'est lui qui a créé tous ces errants et ces élémentaires de feu.
Oh, of course, I heard about that. The Order wanted the ore for the beacon. Poor people. This bastard must have taken them by surprise. Let's take a look into that mine, Saira. Our expedition into the castle will just have to wait.
Ah ouais? Bah ok. Ah, c'est juste à côté, ça va.
Where are you going, Saira? That is not the right way. Just don't take too long, alright? I'll wait here.
Mais tu m'as dit... Bref.
There. Enemies. Get them. There. Enemies, get ready. Enemies, get ready. And it's over. Gallius helped me with my preparations for the trial. It didn't deserve to end like that, nor did the others. In any case, We need to tell the Grand Master about this once we have searched Dalgalar's castle.
Ça marche.
Northwind. Once among the most important mining sources in the country. And now, nothing but a ruin. In the end, all is fleeting, I suppose. Wait. Do you see that?
Pourquoi? De quoi tu me parles? Il y a un feu allumé, c'est ça que tu me dis? Donc il y a quelqu'un qui a dû passer par ici.
Still warm. Someone else has been here not too long ago.
Des chasseurs peut-être.
Maybe. Let's be cautious.
Oui,
The
restons
castle
prudents.
is just up that slope over there.
Allons-y.
Quite the bulwark, isn't it? You could fit an entire village in there.
C'est clair, c'est énorme.
Enemies, get ready.
Tout ça pour un pauvre mec.
Locked, as expected.
Putain. Peut-être qu'on peut la forcer.
Yes, but how? Black powder might do the trick, if we had any.
Ça tombe bien, j'en ai ramassé en chemin.
You have what? You're jesting, right?
Bah non. Regardez.
Kirash, I will never understand how so much can fit in these little pockets. But that's not enough, I'm afraid. I would guess we'll need at least 8 barrels.
C'est clair que je transporte des trucs parfois. On se demande comment ça peut rentrer dans mes poches ou dans mon sac. Et ouais, mais on est censé... Comment on est censé trouver tant de poudre?
Let me think. Northwind was a prospector's village after all, and I think I saw some kind of trapdoor down there near the mine's entrance. With luck, that could be a storage area. I suggest you take a look at it. I'll start digging the gate free in the meantime.
Ok. Bah, je vais faire ça.
Well then, take cover. There you go.
Parfait. D'accord, tu traverses comme ça. Je me nourris juste un peu.
Breathe. Just breathe.
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
I'm sorry, this was unexpected. But I guess that answers the question of what happened to Dalgalar's servants. Poor sods.
Qu'est-ce qui vient de se passer? Est-ce que c'était encore cette chose, comme dans l'ancien de Tulgrad?
Yes, I wasn't prepared, that's all. But I've got it under control, don't worry, I promise.
Quelque chose où quelqu'un les a assassinés, et vous pensez vraiment que la pierre noire est liée à tout ça?
An idealistic count, a remote castle, and a powerful artifact befouled by the High Ones. That's not too far-fetched, wouldn't you agree? We won't be able to get in through the main gate, but there has to be a side entrance. Come on, let's take a look around.
D'accord. Et ici? Si, c'est bon. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Huh. That one looks good if you ask me, but it's locked, isn't it?
Putain. Ben, on va devoir chercher la clé.
Who would have guessed that? We should start with the corpses, I think. There has...
There has to be someone. What about Brother Yarber?
Declined. Just like the others. If you would maybe just explain to them what we need those bodies for, they might...
I would not justify myself to those fools. If they only had a trifle of decency, they would see the debt they are in. But, as they wish, there are other ways. Tell the other servants that I do not want to be disturbed for the rest of the evening, and bring me new salve.
The salve. Of course, Master. Walk blessed.
To be someone with a key. Are you alright, Saira?
Je pense que je viens de voir Dalgalar. Ses souvenirs.
Wait, you mean in a vision? But how? I thought everything you see comes from the Pyrean Age.
Bah ouais, moi aussi. Mais c'était lui, j'en suis sûr. Il parlait à une femme, une sorte d'apprenti peut-être. Il semble que les apothicaries avaient arrêté de lui fournir des cadavres frais.
That would explain why he hired so many hunters from the village. But what did he need all those cadavers for? The angel? Whatever. Let's go search those bodies for a key. Wait, do you hear that?
Oui, j'ai entendu.
Hirash.
Oh putain!
Enemies, get ready.
Wow. Vous étiez mieux mort.
Focus, Kalia.
Ah, voilà.
Your vision must have caused this. We should be prepared for resistance now. Come on, let's find that key. I don't want to have to look at this any longer than necessary. Do you have it? Then let's go in.
J'aimerais bien regarder la forge d'abord. Il n'y avait rien d'intéressant en fait.
Good. Let's see if we can get through the main hall somehow. Then we'll see.
Oh, putain, j'ai eu peur.
Enemies, get ready.
Ce serait l'ange. J'ai cru voir un escalier sur le côté.
Wow, what a sight. Do you see anything? With your gift, I mean.
Non, pas encore. Une idée d'où nous pourrions commencer à chercher la pierre ou cet ange?
No, but I suppose Dalgalar's personal quarters would be a good place to start. I guess the big gate over there should lead us there. Let's take a look.
Ok. Elle bouge pas la porte.
locked, of course. What else would you expect when breaking into someone's house? Let's see.
Voyons quoi. Ah, ce serait une énigme.
I understand. This is some kind of magic seal, similar to the one the Magisters once showed us in Escuela. You need to speak the correct words in order to pass.
D'accord.
2 of them, it seems.
Et comment on est censé trouver ces mots?
Well, that's the question. But knowing Dalgalar, I'm sure he chose 2 words that meant something to him. So if we can somehow find out more about him and what he did here, we might have a chance. If not, we'll need to look for another way in. Come, let's take a look at the 2 towers. I think the staircases in this hall might lead us there.
Ok. Salle des banquets.
More bodies. What in blazes happened here?
Je sais pas. Peut-être qu'il a tué tout le monde. Oula!
Now just what the heck was that?
Bah, je me pose exactement la même question. Mais c'est peut-être la même chose qui ressuscite les morts?
Yes, probably, but what is it? That's not an elemental, at least not a common one. Let's just be careful. I don't like this.
Moi non plus. Et... Non, on trouvera rien ici. Casque pyréen. Tour gauche. Oh,
That looks like Starlingcraft to me. Without...
It is impossible to banish the barrier, correct?
Yes, my son. And no one apart from us knows the latter.
I see. Then I owe you my thanks. We should make a toast. To your Matrolian brandy?
I must confess that I am no friend to alcohol, but thank you nonetheless.
il paraît combien qui va l'empoisonner?
What are we drinking to? Our collaboration?
To our collaboration, and a world free of suffering.
Alright. To our collaboration, and a world free of suffering. Marvelous, really. Between us, Maisa, why the barrier? What do you have up there that 5 arm wides of Northwind stone aren't enough for you?
Something that's very dear to me, and very fragile.
I see. Well, then I can assure you that... blistering blazes. How tired I suddenly am. All that work, it must have gone to my head.
Yes, my sir. You should rest.
Ouais.
And forgive me.
Je l'avais deviné.
I will take care of your family. You have my word on that.
What do you mean? I just have to...
I am sorry.
Mais c'est un monstre en fait.
We'll have a hard time getting through here.
Il faut un certain type d'appareil et un certain code. Et même si on trouve l'appareil, je pense que Dal Galar a emporté le code dans la tombe.
What? You had another vision.
Oui. Dal Galar avait fait construire cette barrière par un artisan astrelin. Et il l'a empoisonnée après qu'elle a été terminée.
Poisoned? Why?
Je ne suis pas sûr. Sans doute ne souhaitait-il pas que quelqu'un d'autre puisse connaître le code.
Yes, probably, but killing someone just because of that? I thought better of him, really. This must have something to do with the angel, however. Question is, how do we get through here? We don't have that device, whatever it is, and I don't think Dal Galar left the code just laying around somewhere if he was willing to kill someone over it.
Ouais.
Let's take a look around. There must be another way. A breach.
Une brèche?
Maybe we could kill the mechanism that runs the barrier with force? But... wait. Yes, that could work.
Bah super. Expliquez-moi.
I snatched a bag of black powder earlier when we carried the barrels up to the gate. I thought it might come in handy. Here, Magister Jaela gave me this scroll not too long ago. You could use it to throw the pouch through the breach. And a fire arrow will take care of the rest.
D'accord, ok. Attends, mais elle est où la brèche? De quoi tu me parles? Je la vois pas ta brèche. Kelia?
Try to throw the pouch through the breach. That has to work.
Ah, c'est là! Mais c'est super compliqué! Ah, je vais utiliser la télékinésie. D'accord. Oups. Oups. Je vais y arriver. Oui,
Good.
parfait.
Now see if you can shoot a fire arrow through the breach so it drops onto the mechanism.
Ça va être compliqué. Hein.
Try to shoot from an oblique angle. Otherwise, the arrow will bounce off in the wrong direction.
Ça va être compliqué. Arc en chaîne. Et... flèche enflammée. Oui.
Perfect. Let's hope the fire doesn't spread. Now let's go see what Dal Galar wanted to hide so badly.
On est trop fort. Chambre d'enfant. Donc son trésor, ce serait un enfant.
Toys. And what is this blue substance everywhere? Huh. This looks like a child's room to me.
Oui, c'est exactement ce que me le disait. Est-ce que Dal Galar avait des enfants?
None that I heard of. People always said he loved his craft more than he could ever love another person. But if he had a daughter, then maybe she had something to do with his retreat from Ark. Let's take a look around.
Pourquoi une fille? Ça peut aussi être un garçon. Flacon vide. Encore un flacon vide. Encore un. Plein de flacons vides. Hein. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes?
Look around, Saira. We need to find a clue as to what this code might be.
Oui, pardon. Ouais, j'avoue que je suis un peu perdu là. Oh.
No, please don't eat me. The Vatir eyed him and sneered. Why wouldn't I? You are weak, and I am strong. His voice was coarse like a whisper tree's barking. You don't like this story, do you? Of course not. You didn't like it when Mother read it to you either. But you want to know something, my little starlet? Soon, you'll be warm again. And then there will be no more need for stories. Because you will be able to go out yourself and explore this world on your own 2 feet. I promise you, Maya.
Maya, d'accord.
I promise you.
Je pense avoir trouvé quelque chose.
The girl was dead, Saira. She was dead.
Quoi?
There, Dalgalar's acquisitions. Now guess what else apart from animal bodies he bought heaps of. Dew flowers, lavender, and shadow stem oil.
Et qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
These are the ingredients for the ointments the Chileans use to embalm their dead. As long as it is regularly applied, the process of decay doesn't begin. The Chileans use it to keep a body fresh before sending it to sea, but this... Dalgalar bought enough of these ingredients to prepare funeral balm for 6 corpses. And didn't you tell me he ordered his apprentice to get him his salve? Girl who lived here must have been his daughter, and she died somehow. But instead of burying her, he used this balm to preserve her like a piece of salted meat. This is horrible.
Ça correspond à ce que je viens de voir. Le nom de la jeune fille était Maya et il a dû essayer de la ressusciter.
With the angel. That's why he tried to craft it in the first place. This only leaves us with the question of how exactly it was supposed to work, and what the Blackstone had to do with it. At least now we have a good candidate for the code word, Maya. Do you still want to stay here a little longer, or shall we go back to the main hall?
Non, on y va.
Yes. Come. Okay, so we have one word. Now let's take a look at the other tower. Maybe we can find the other one there.
Ok.
This must have been some kind of laboratory.
Ouais, c'est peut-être le laboratoire qu'ils utilisaient. Mais crève.
was all of them. Let's look around.
Bref. J'en avais pas besoin en plus. Appareil alchimique.
Forgive me, Master. I wanted to talk to you.
Of course you do. What's on your mind?
Forgive my words, but I find certain recent developments disquieting.
Do you?
You've changed, Master. Every day the villagers bring their sick to our gates, but you forbid us to let them in. Instead, you spend every minute with this girl. And the Black Stone. Haven't you heard the tales? The stones are cursed. Master, you really should...
Go and pack your things, Yulika.
What? Master, I am just worried about you.
I know, and I thank you for it. Now go. Your apprenticeship is over.
But...
Go!
We need to go farther up, Saira. We won't find anything here.
J'ai trouvé la clé de la porte et j'ai vu un autre souvenir de Dal Galar.
Again. And what did you see?
Vous aviez raison. Dal Galar a travaillé bien avec une pierre noire. Et il semble qu'il s'est de plus en plus isolé au fil du temps.
Yes, that he did. I guess that's why people just forgot about him eventually. But at least we know now that we're not following a false trail. Come, maybe we can find more upstairs.
Oh, il y a une bibliothèque. Bon, il faut que j'arrête de fouiller partout.
Wait.
Quoi?
Scientia Sinistra by Ibn Natarim. That was a Kyranian arcanist of the Zimnodza. Getting caught with one of these books is essentially a crime here in Enderal. Seems that Dal Galar needed more than just alchemy and light magic for his angel.
Ouais, apparemment. Mais peut-être que l'ange, c'est sa fille. Je pense que c'est ça. Mais oui, tous les flacons vides, je vais pouvoir les enlever aussi. Ça sert à rien.
Stuffed creatures, even lost ones. I'm not surprised he and the League had their differences.
Kalia?
What the? That's not a laboratory, that's a crypt.
Ah oui, j'avais pas vu tout ça. J'espère qu'ils vont pas se réveiller.
Irash. Now we know that he didn't just stick to animals. But what is this fluid they're floating in?
J'ai vu comme ça... Enfin, j'ai vu quelque chose comme ça plutôt dans le manoir de l'Ancien. Il semble pouvoir préserver les corps.
I see. Do you see that?
Oui, oui, oui.
Crystal. But it's so dull. As if all its energy...
Energy is life, and energy is death. A trifle less, not too much less, just a little. Don't disappoint me. Not this time.
Had been drawn from it. Maybe that was some kind of experiment for what he planned to do with the Black Stone?
Oui, il a essayé de transférer l'énergie de ce cristal vers un cadavre.
What?
Je l'ai vu, ces cadavres-là, Dalgalar faisait des expériences avec. Il a essayé de fusionner une sorte d'énergie avec leur corps.
And I bet he hoped that this transfer would actually resurrect the bodies. That must have been the angel, Saira. A device capable of transferring magical energy from one thing to another. And he must have planned to use it on his daughter Maya.
Ouais, c'est ce que je me disais aussi.
It's more confusing. Come, let us look for the second code word. Maybe it's around here somewhere.
Tanisha, je ne peux trouver les mots pour décrire à quel point chacune de tes lettres me rend heureux. C'est comme si la chaleur de tes doigts s'y était attachée. Mais ne perdons pas de temps et répondons à ta question. Notre petite va de mieux en mieux. Le climat frais lui fait du bien et seulement quelques jours après notre arrivée, elle s'est déjà réveillée de son coma. Ses joues sont de plus en plus roses chaque jour. Son souffle plus fort. Je suis sûr qu'au prochain mois de l'étau estival, tu pourras la prendre dans tes bras. De plus, tu voulais savoir comment tu pourras venir. C'est le cœur lourd que je dois te conjurer d'attendre encore quelques lunes. Ta présence rendrait la guérison de Maya difficile. Et je te prie de ne pas me demander pourquoi. Crois-moi, la distance entre nous me fait mal, autant qu'à toi. Milian m'a dit qu'il avait payé le Léorin, d'Arc, un hébergement et des repas pour une année entière pour toi. Je t'écrirai bientôt. Je t'aime. Samael. Peut-être que Tanisha, c'est le second mot. Je dois encore me séparer d'un truc. Kalia?
Anything?
J'ai trouvé ça, regardez. Je suppose que ça répond à quelques questions.
It does? Show me. By the name of the sun. This Tanisha must have been his paramour. And Maya, the girl from the tower, was their daughter.
Qui est morte. Et il a quitté Arc pour la ressusciter avec cet appareil, cet ange.
Exactly. Only this Tanisha didn't know that their daughter had died in the first place. Dalgalar just told her all the time that she was sick and getting better. Blazes, this is tough. At least now we have another candidate for the code words. Tanisha. I doubt we'll find anything else here. What do you say, Saira? Shall we go back to the main hall?
Entièrement d'accord.
Good. Come on. Good. Then let's try our luck with these sigils, shall we? You do it.
C'était où? C'est là. Donc là c'est Maya.
Yes, that sounds good.
Ça a l'air bon. Et Tanisha. Merde, je l'ai peut-être pas bien écrit. La lettre. Merde, qu'est-ce que j'en ai fait? C'est bon.
I can't believe we actually did it. Come on, let's see what's behind there. So this is his sanctum. Unbelievable. Just look at all these books.
Il y en a plein.
I wonder how much knowledge is hidden here.
Ça donne envie de tout explorer. Ah, d'accord.
There.
Ouf. Il y en a encore? Ah oui. Comment on va faire pour monter à l'étage?
So he did let some servants in here after all, even though that didn't save them from their companion's fate. What the?
Oh merde!
Durual Ninto Jarod.
Quoi?
He who is patient always finds a way. I was starting to worry that you two little birdies would never part.
So it wasn't just my imagination.
Oh putain,
Yes, you
merde.
have been followed. Thanks for opening the gates, by the way. That saved us a lot of effort. Quite the feat, I must admit. Only that... Now look at that. You don't waste any time talking. I like that. Then I'll return the favor.
Kirash, what is this? Let me go, you bastard!
This, my little bird, is mentalism perfected. Because this time, someone was less willing to take risks and decided to send capable soldiers rather than those idiots from Alt Rationgrad. Now don't look so grumpy, sweetheart. You're up next. And I promise we'll have just as much fun with you as we'll have with her.
Si vous faites ça, vous allez le regretter, je le jure.
I highly doubt it. Regret was never one of my virtues, I'm afraid. Take her, my friends, but careful, understood? I want her alive.
I'll see to that.
The stone, Zaira. Find the stone and then run.
Bah non. Putain.
Just hold still, honey. You're only making it worse.
No,
Cassez-vous.
get off me. Damn it, get off
Putain.
me. No. Kirash, please, you're making a mistake.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Lambert. Can't you just make her shut up?
Je vais te sauver, Kelia.
Finally.
Il doit y avoir une clé quelque part. Oui, voilà. Oh, merde. Merde, putain.
I'm sure it was. Ow. What the heck?
Je suis bloqué. Non, mais putain, comment je vais faire?
Didn't I tell you to? For the name of his son.
Oh, elle a dû se transformer. Bon, il vaut peut-être mieux que je sois loin à ce moment-là.
No, 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 please, no.
C'était violent, ça. Ah oui, c'était très très violent. Kalia. Mon dieu. Kalia? Kalia? Ok. Bon, elle est encore vivante. va lui préparer un lit et un feu. Kalia? Parle toujours pas. Bon, finissons-en.
Outside in the rain and... I should have been there for you more, Starlet. So much more. But I will make up for it, I swear. Tomorrow. I will heal you. Once you and the stone are connected, you will be able to walk again. And this time, I will be a good father. And that's just for a start. The stone will change you, Maya. It will become a part of you. And it will give you power even the Lightlord can only dream of. The blind will see again if you so choose, and the mute will speak. You will succeed where I have failed, freeing mankind from all its misery. Like an angel.
Merde. Ah. Ok. Merde.
Sorry for the hard stone, but there's no other way. I know, and it might just tickle for a little, but not for long, I promise.
Il était donc infecté par la folie pourpre. La folie rouge. Folie pourpre, oui.
Maya, can you hear me?
Daddy?
Maya, you... Oh, my little starlet, you...
I feel dizzy, Daddy. And where's Mommy?
She
She is at home. You have been very ill, you know that? Very, very ill. But now... Maya, what's wrong?
It burns. The ice.
Sterling, what's wrong? What?
Oh putain!
Poor little creature. You don't have the slightest idea how special you are.
Encore elle?
Kalia.
Non! Non! Donc... Putain, donc Kalia c'est la fille de ce putain de magicien. Ah mon dieu! Et elle a été imprégnée par la pierre noire. Oh là 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 là. Putain. Bon, bah voyons la suite. Bah on va lui dire la vérité, hein, même si c'est pas cool à entendre.
I see.
Comment allez-vous maintenant que vous connaissez la vérité?
How do you think I am? It changes nothing.
Pourquoi? Est-ce que ça ne vous aide pas de savoir qui vous êtes vraiment?
Yeah, who am I? The failed experiment of a broken man. I'm not sure if that insight was really what I needed. Of course, it helps me to understand the creature inside me. It's a black stone. And it was my father who fused it with my mind. But in the end, all I'm left with are more questions. For example, whether this means that I must bury my hopes for banishing that creature once and for all, or the question of what this veiled woman's role is in all this. It must have been she who set me out in that village, even though she knew of the Blackstone's essence within me and how dangerous it made me. She seems to be the same one you encountered on the ship where your friend died, and the one who made those bandits flee into Old Dothulgrad. Who is she? What are her intentions? I just don't understand, Saira. I don't understand. Still, what burdens me the most is what happened in that library.
J'aurais vraiment voulu arriver à temps.
Be thankful you weren't. If you knew how I felt when I killed those mercenaries, you would give me a wide berth, believe me. Such gratification, such ecstasy. I am disgusting. Saira, if you had been there, I would have slaughtered you just like the others. Don't you get it? I would have killed you.
Je sais pas si c'est une bonne chose de lui dire ça.
I will train harder, meditate more often, until I control every single one of my thoughts. That is the only way I will ever be able to fully control it.
C'est horrible.
Now go and take that stone to the temple, Saira. I need some time to myself.
Well, that's just how he is. Always talking.
Je pensais que ça l'aiderait, mais pas du tout apparemment. Ben, on va s'arrêter là pour cette fois-ci. Je vous remercie d'avoir regardé l'épisode jusqu'au bout, et je vous donne rendez-vous dans le prochain. À bientôt.